So we had a student who was very inspired by our teacher, Swami Parthasarathy, because our teacher, like myself, came from a business family. They were in shipping. And in the 50s, he had a Rolls Royce at the age of 27. So came from wealth and decided there's more to life. I need to research it. And he gave away his Rolls Royce and studied Vedanta. So fast forward 65 years in this field, studying, sharing this philosophy around the world. One of the students had the sentiment, here's a man who gave away his Rolls Royce to study this, learn this, teach this. How fitting would it be for a disciple to present him with the Rolls Royce? So he asked my teacher, Swamiji, I would like to gift you a Rolls Royce. And Swamiji said, why you want to give me a headache? It won't fit in the garage. Have you seen the roads in Mumbai? The speed bumps are like mountains. Every time it goes on the speed bump, I'll have a small heart attack. It's okay. So Swamiji, you deserve this, Swamiji. Can we get it for you? So there was an exercise to go about it. The first problem that we had is that my teacher did not want leather seats. So Rolls Royce wrote back, no problem, Swamiji, we have silk seats. But silk means you boil the silkworms to get the silk. My teacher said, no, that's even worse. So they came back and they said, we can get you some material that is not animal based. I said, okay. So everything was set. And the plan was, we were in Mumbai and we were going to the showroom, the Rolls Royce showroom, and the disciple was going to meet Swamiji there at the showroom. They would select the model and then leave for lunch. Everyone following? Right. So my teacher is going to choose a Rolls Royce, and then after that going for lunch. So we're all about to leave the Mumbai residence, and my teacher says, okay, which bus goes to Worli? Bus? Swamiji, what do you mean bus? No, what bus number goes to Worli? So one of our colleagues, he knew the bus number, 108, something like that. He said, okay, come, let's go. This is an 85-year-old man. He said, come, let's go by bus. I said, Swamiji, what do you mean go by bus? He said, no, look, we're going to meet him there at the showroom, and then we'll go together by car for lunch. We don't have to take another car. And we thought Swamiji's joking. Swamiji, please, it's so warm. Let us go. We'll get a cab. No problem. He says, I am going. You do what you want. Now, how can the Guru go and all of us go by cab? So all of us followed in the bus. And Swamiji is wearing kurta pajama. And this bus stops right outside the Rolls Royce showroom. And imagine all of us, kurta pajama like this, getting off. Kurta pajama doesn't look like you're going to buy a Rolls Royce. We get off, we go to the showroom, and the person there saying, Kya? He's telling Swamiji, what do you want? So we've come to buy a Rolls Royce. He started laughing. He said, wrong place, wrong place. He didn't let us inside the showroom until that disciple came who looked more like he was going to buy the Rolls Royce. Then he let us in. Why did my teacher take the bus? That it is a thought provocation, and he was doing it for education purposes of his students. Does he know the difference between a bus and a Rolls Royce? Of course. Does he know the comfort difference? Of course. But the education was, don't be dependent on it. True wealth is to have it, but if for some reason it's not there, no problem. Now, if you're not there, can you get on with life? The air conditioner is not working. Dying. What, 25 degrees? Are you dependent on that? And a true wealthy person is one who has it, but is not dependent on it. But if you are dependent on it, we had a person from America. They had a special mattress. And in order for them to go and stay anywhere, they would actually courier. Some people have a special pillow. You see them carrying it on flights. This person has a special mattress. She couriered the mattress to India to be there at the academy when she met us. He got stuck in customs. What do you think this lady did? She went back. dependent on the mattress. So you get wealth that is supposed to liberate you, free you, so you can move, so you can travel. And what are you doing? Attaching ourselves to, I can only sleep on this mattress. I can only exist at 22 degrees Celsius. Be independent. If it is not there, let not your peace of mind be affected.